If you want quick access to your schedule without opening a browser every time, this video will show you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make Google Calendar feel more like a native app so you can check your events, meetings, and reminders faster from your computer. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Google Calendar works best for this method in Chrome, so make sure you are using that browser before moving on. Once Chrome is open, go to calendar.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar website. If you are not already signed in, enter your Google account details and log in so you can access your calendar. After you are signed in and the calendar page is fully loaded, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Click that menu to open the browser options. From the drop-down, select Cast, Save, and Share. Inside that menu, you will see the option to install page as app. Click on that. This tells Chrome to turn the Google Calendar website into a separate desktop app for easier access. A small install window will appear next. Just click Install to confirm. After that, Google Calendar will be added to your desktop environment as an app. Depending on your Windows settings, it may open automatically right away, or you may see an option to pin it or create a shortcut. If prompted, you can also open it later from the Start menu, where it will appear like a regular installed application. In some cases, Windows may let you create a desktop shortcut as well, which makes launching it even faster. Once installed, you can use Google Calendar just like an app, with a cleaner window and quicker access than a normal browser tab. This is especially useful if you check your calendar every day for work, school, or personal planning. And that's it! You've successfully added Google Calendar to your desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Windows and Google app tips.